Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem on your Mac. So if you have error that your startup disk is almost full, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, you just go to Launchpad. Now you just need to find disk utility. You can be in others. You need to find here disk utility. Just open it. Now just check how much memory is free and what info you can also just remove from your computer. So after you will see how much memory you have free and how much use. So after just go to Finder and just remove unnecessary files from your computer, and after just remove them from your bin. So just tap with two fingers on bin and just choose empty bin. So after just tap on Apple logo, just choose restart and just submit restarting your computer. So after, I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.